Let's learn English with JoyMix Wonderland. Hello. I am F, the sixth letter of the English alphabet. I come right after my friend E. You can meet E and my other friends A, B, C, and D in our previous videos. Links are in the description, don't forget to watch. Now, let's explore the sound of F. My sound is F, as in fish. Let's find some fun and fantastic words that start with the letter F. Here are some fun words that start with the letter F. Fish, frog, fan, fire, flag, flower, forest, fruit, fence, feather, face, finger, fork, farm, fox, flamingo, fountain, family, friend, firefighter. Great job, kids! Today, you learned so many F words. Keep practicing and stay connected for our next video, where we'll explore words starting with the letter G. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JoyMix Wonderland for more fun and educational videos.